All right, Improvisation Center back again with another car, or in this case, a truck project. As you can see here, we have us a 1980 custom F100, Ford, of course. And this is not our truck, actually. This is a friend of ours. He wanted us to work on it, and it needs to be freshened up a little bit because it's been sitting for a few years. We were able to get it running again, but not without a little headache. And one of the headaches was the fuel system, which led me to throw together this little gadget right here that I've done a blog article on, our portable fuel system, which is nothing more than a gas can with an electric fuel pump strapped to it and the fuel line hot glued in place through a hole. Simple setup, but it actually worked out perfectly because it allowed us to run this thing more than long enough on the gallon of gas that it allowed us to warm the engine up and get the thing loaded up on the trailer. So another Improvisation Center gadget that worked out perfectly and will continue to serve us for a long time, I would imagine. But anyway, this truck right here, we're gonna have to do some obvious stuff like drop the gas tank and clean it out. I know I'm gonna have to change the fuel pump, probably rebuild the carburetor, do the basic tune-up crap, all that normal mechanical stuff, check the brakes and everything, even though the brakes did work, but you know, just go through it and make sure everything is good enough that we could actually jump in this thing and drive it wherever. So this truck is really about in the same class as the F250. It's a V8. This one's a 302. F250 is a 351, but they're both C6 transmissions, 3-speeds. So, yep, they're gas guzzlers. But simple setup. But, yep, as you can see, it is an old truck and simple interior. It does have some creature comforts like AC and everything. But, yeah, just another little project truck for us to work on and get it up and running real good. And part of our payment will be accepting another vehicle that our friend has, which is an Astro van with a 4.3 V6 powertrain, which I plan on installing into the 46 Ford later on in the distant future, more than likely. But yeah, the main thing is getting that powertrain out of that minivan in order to do that build. So that's where working on this truck comes into play. But you can also see right now we're loaded up on the trailer. We pulled in. Gonna have to unload this thing. So that's gonna be what I'm gonna do next. Go ahead and get our fuel system strapped up and wired up and everything and get this thing running, get it off the trailer. And that will be next. We got our fuel, our little portable fuel system situated here, wedged in the spot. Got a hose right here plugged up, routed over here going directly into the carburetor. And we got our leads right here. Get in here, put the key in, and I'm gonna hook it up as I get ready to start it up.
Tight squeeze.